Want to improve your account security? Changing your BingX password in 2026 only takes a few minutes and is one of the best ways to protect your funds and personal information. Open the BingX app and sign into your account. Next, tap your profile icon and go to Security Settings or Account Security. Look for the Change Password or Login Password option and select it. Enter your current password, then type your new password and confirm it. For better security, choose a strong password that combines uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using personal information or passwords you've used on the other websites. BingX may ask you to complete email verification, SMS verification, or two-factor authentication before confirming the change. Once the process is complete, your new password will become active immediately. If you're signed in on multiple devices, you may be asked to log in again using your new password. And that's how you change your BingX account password in 2026. Regularly updating your password and enabling additional security features can help keep your account protected. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more BingX tutorials and crypto security guides.